Hey everybody, Jimmy here. Welcome to the channel. So I have a trade running right now. I want to show it to you. I'm still in my position and I've been slowly scaling out. It's on AstraZeneca. It's been kind of an exciting morning for me. It's going to end up being a green Friday overall. The trade management was really good. I want to show that to you. Hope you guys were green. Let's jump into it. Hey, okay. So let's talk some AstraZeneca this morning. You can see I've got the chart open right now. I took a little different trade today than I'm normally used to. I've been seeing more opportunities with some opening range breakdowns. And what that is typically is just you decide on a period of time. For me this morning, it was a 15-minute period of time. And whatever the high and the low are on that time frame, you're just looking to buy the break up or the break down. So today, I was watching this nice 15-minute candle here with a high of 38.15 and a low of 37.99. So this was my opening range. And I wanted to look to buy the breakdown of that because we had a gap down this morning. So this stock gap down, gave this nice non-volatile candle, and then I went ahead and sold the breakdown, and I got in right here at 37.97. Took it to the short side, and it's just been money all morning long on it. It's been a really interesting experience because when I got to 1-to-1, I went ahead and sold half, and then I moved my stop to break even. And then when I got to 2-to-1, then I moved my stop down to 1-to-1, and I've just been trailing it 1R at a time, so one risk to reward unit at a time. So trade goes to 1-to-1, I'm at break even. Trade goes to 2-to-1, my stop goes to 1-to-1. I go to 3-to-1, stop goes to 2-to-1. And that's just kind of the pattern I went through. And you can see I got a nice flush all the way down, and this last line was about 3-to-1 for me on a 20-cent stop starting off this morning. So I went ahead and took profit. Had a funny little mix-up where I meant to take 63 shares off, and I accidentally added 63 shares to my position, so had to adjust for that a little bit in here. But I've been just setting alerts and stopping myself appropriately, and ever since we flushed down and bottomed down here, it's sort of just stayed in this range. Now, one thing I've been doing today was just kind of watching the SPY, which is the spider. It kind of tracks the S&P 500. And so this was really good this morning, and then we flattened out and consolidated, and then we just moved up hard. And I've noticed over the last few minutes, my stock's been a little more responsive, and I think it's due to this right here. This topping candle and this slight move to the downside. So if I go back to AstraZeneca, you can see right now, so I have an open position still right here, and I'm in this channel. I've got a hard stop set right here, so if we go back above my 2-to-1, I'm going to close my position altogether. Green $78, about $78.50 right now that I'm up, and on my remaining 63 shares, I'm down 662. But with that action on the SPY, I'm kind of hoping that we'll flush to the downside. And I think if we get a break of this low, any kind of break, I will probably close my position. I've got this stop limit to sell just sort of hanging out here. It's not really in any strategic place. I'm ready with it. So if I get a flush, I can bump that to an appropriate spot and then hopefully take the winner and call it a day. So it's been a green day for me. I've really enjoyed taking a look at this opening range breakdown pattern and starting to kind of track some of its success and see how it does. But anyway, I hope you guys had a green day. Leave me comments below. Let me know how you did. I'm gonna start taking a few more trades, I think, in this style. And that way I'll just have more opportunities on a daily basis to trade. My strategy that I've been trading in the past has been a little infrequent, which is fine. It's just been leaving me with gaps where I don't have a lot to talk about. So I want to keep producing videos and putting out great content for you guys. and I don't want to have a lot of blank days during the week. I want to have some content to make a video about. So not that that's a reason to trade, to make videos, but I want to have more trading opportunities independent of YouTube. But it's nice to have a daily recap for you guys so that you can tune in and see what I'm up to, learn from the channel, and then we can also continue to interact. So hope all is well. Hope it's a green day. Leave me a comment below. Back at it Monday. Have a great weekend. Thanks, everybody.